हेलो फ्रेंड्स, सन एकेडमी आपको स्वागत। आज आम देखा आरआरबी एनटीपीसी आरआरबी ग्रुप डी ट्रेडिशनल जीके जोग्राफी पार्ट 6 चलो स्टार्ट करिए। क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द ट्रॉपिकल साइक्लोन इन चाइना सी? हरिकेन्स, टोर्नाडो, ट्विस्टर, टाइफून। आंसर आपन डी टाइफून। The tropical cyclone of China Sea are called typhoons. Question number 2. Which of the following river is not a tributary of Ganga? Indravati, Yamuna, Gomati, Son. Answer आपनकर है Indravati. Okay. Question number 3. Which of the following is the highest point of India? Mount Everest, Doddabetta, Kanchenjunga, George Everest. Answer आपनकर C. Kanchenjunga. The Kanchenjunga is the highest mountain peak in the India and ranked third highest summit in the world with an elevation of 8586 meter. Question number 4. The western coastal strip south of Goa is referred to as Coromandel, Kannada, Konkana, Northern Chirkar. Answer आपनकर भी कन्नड़. Kannada coastal plain of the western coast of the India lies between the Goa and Mangalore area of the Karnataka. It is also called the Central West Coast Plain. Question number 5. India is the seventh largest country in the world and it covers a total area of approximately 27, 30, 32 or 36,000 square kilometer. Our answer is C. Okay. Question number 6. The canal which links Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean is Welland, Malacca, Panama, Suez. Answer आपनकर C. Panama. The Panama Canal connects the Atlantic Ocean with the Pacific Ocean through the narrow isthmus of the Panama. It is also divides North America and South America. Question number 7. What is the local name of the wind blowing in the northern plain during summer? Kala Baisakhi, trade winds, Lu, none of the answer one is Lu. Okay, local name of the wind blowing of the northern plain during summer. Okay. Question number 8. The Indian state having the largest Buddhist population is UP, Haryana, Gujarat, Maharashtra. So Maharashtra. Maharashtra has the highest number of Buddhists in India with 5.81% of the total population. Almost 90% of the Navabayana or new Buddhists live in the state. Question number 9. Which of the following country have common frontier with the Indian state like Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Sikkim? China, Nepal, Bhutan and Myanmar. Answer will be Nepal. Question number 10. Which of the following union territory of India will be suited for summer vacation if you choose Karavati to visit? Pondicherry, Andaman Nicobar, Lakshadweep, Daman Diu. Answer आपनकर C. Lakshadweep. The Karavati is the capital of Union Territory Lakshadweep of in India. ପିଲାମାନେ ଇଏ ହେଉଛି ସନ୍ ଏକାଡେମୀ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ୍ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣମାନେ ଏଥିରେ ଯେଉଁ QR କୋଡ଼୍ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି ସେଥିରେ ଆପଣ ସ୍କାନ୍ କଲେ ଟେଲିଗ୍ରାମ ଜଏନ୍ କରିପାରିବେ। ଟେଲିଗ୍ରାମ ଜଏନ୍ ୟା ଯେଉଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଯେଉଁ PPT ପଢ଼ାଉଛି ତାର PPT ଆପଣ ପାଇପାରିବେ। ପିଲାମାନେ ଇଏ ହେଉଛି ଆମର OPSC ଏସର ଆଶା ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ ଫାଉଣ୍ଡେସନ୍ ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ ଅନଲକ୍ ୟୁର ପଟେନ୍ସିଆଲ୍ ୱିଥ୍ ଆୱାର ଅଫଲାଇନ୍ କୋର୍ସ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ୍ ହେଲା ବସ୍ ହେଉଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କର 9999ରେ 6 month valid ରହିବ। ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେଉଛି 20 ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚରୁ। ସେମିତି କର୍ମବୀର ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେଉଛି ଆରଆରବି ଏନଟିପିସିର 2025 ଫାଉଣ୍ଡେସନ୍ ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ ଯେଉଁଟାକି ଆରଆରବି ଏନଟିପିସି ୱିଥ୍ ଆରଆରବି ଗ୍ରୁପ୍ ଡିର ବି ପ୍ରିପାରେସନ୍ ଦିଆହେଉଛି। ଅନଲକ୍ ୟୁର ପଟେନ୍ସିଆଲ୍ ୱିଥ୍ ଆୱାର ଅଫଲାଇନ୍ କୋର୍ସେସ୍ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ୍ ସିଲାବସ୍ cover only at 4999 6 month validity। ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେଉଛି 20 ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ 2025ରେ। ଲାଇବ୍ରେରୀ ବି ଆଭେଲେବଲ୍ ଅଛି ଜଷ୍ଟ 499ରେ। ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଆଡ୍ରେସ୍ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି, ଆପଣ କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ କରିପାରିବେ, ନହେଲେ କଲ୍ ଫର୍ ଆଡ଼ମିସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ଯଦି ଦିଆଯାଇଛି କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ କରିପାରିବେ। ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି। କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ନମ୍ବର 11. Which of the following is the oldest oil refinery in India? ହଳଦିଆ, କାୟୋଲି, ଦିଗ୍ଭୋଇ, ମଥୁରା। ଆନ୍ସର ଆପଣଙ୍କର C. ଦିଗ୍ଭୋଇ। କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ନମ୍ବର 11. Explanation. Digboi is oil refinery was established by Assam Oil Company Limited at Digboi. On 11th December 1901, it is Asia's oldest and longest operating oil refinery. Question number 12. Jharkhand does not share boundary with West Bengal, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh. Answer option D, Madhya Pradesh. Question number 13. Which state having the largest area of forest cover in India? Arunachal Pradesh, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, and Assam. Answer option C, Madhya Pradesh. The American area which Madhya Pradesh has the largest forest cover in the country, followed by the Arunachal Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and Maharashtra. Question number 14. According to the 2011 census, which of the following state has the largest rural population? Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh. Answer option D, Uttar Pradesh. According to 2011 census, 68.84% population in India lives in rural area. Uttar Pradesh has the largest population of rural population in India. It has 155 million rural population. Question number 15. Which of the source of Krishna River? Multai, Tala, Mahabaleshwara, Amarkandaka. Answer option C, Mahabaleshwara. The source of Krishna River is at Mahabaleshwara near the Jod village in the extreme north of the Vaitulka. Satara district, Maharashtra is the west and empties into the Bay of Bengal at Hamsala Devi near Kudur in Andhra Pradesh on the east coast. Question number 16. Where is the Konkan Pass located? South and Andaman, North and South Andaman, North and Middle Andaman, Andaman and Nicobar. Answer about the South and South and Little Andaman. Duncan Pass is a strait in the Bay of Bengal. It is about 48 km wide. It separates Rutland Island to the north and Little Andaman to the south. West of Duncan Pass is the Bay of Bengal. East is the Andaman Sea. Question number 17. Which of the following factors is responsible for low rainfall in the eastern slope of the Western Ghat? The straight west coast, the lack of the winter depression, their leeward location, or the heights of the Ghat. So I'm going to see their leeward location. The leeward location, the eastern slope of the Western Ghat experiences low rainfall due to their leeward location. Okay. Question number 18. Which country has the smallest terrestrial border with India? Afghanistan, Nepal, Myanmar, or Bhutan? Answer A, Afghanistan. The smallest border of India with Afghanistan, the border between India and Afghanistan is relatively smooth, relatively short, measuring about 106 km, approximately 66 miles. This border is located in the northwest region of the India and connects the Indian state of the Jammu and Kashmir with Afghanistan. Question number 19. Which of the following is defined the northern frontier of India? Himalayan mountain range, Karakoram range, Aravalli range, Satpura range. Answer A, Himalayan mountain range. Question number 19. Explanation. Northern frontier of India are defined largely by the Himalayan mountain range, where the country borders China, Bhutan, Nepal. Its western border with Pakistan lies in the Karakoram and western Himalaya range. Punjab blends the Thar desert in the town of the coast state Merces. Question number 12. Which of the following wind are not dust laden and blow from the Sahara desert towards the Mediterranean region? Circo, Lou, Fohn, or Mistral? So, A, Circo. Circo is a hot wind, often dusty or rainy, blowing south from North Africa across the Mediterranean to southern Europe. ପିଲାମାନେ ଇଏ ହେଉଛି ଆମର ସନ୍ ଏକାଡେମୀର ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ୍ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ୍ ଆପଣମାନେ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଏଥିରେ ଥିବା QR କୋଡ଼୍ ଆପଣ ସ୍କାନ୍ କଲେ ଆପଣ ଟେଲିଗ୍ରାମରେ ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରି କରିବେ ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରି କଲେ ଆପଣ ଏଇ ଯେଉଁ PPT ପଢ଼ା ହେଉଛି ଆପଣ ତା'ର PDF ପାଇପାରିବେ ଏବଂ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ରିଭିଜନ୍ ବି କରିପାରିବେ ପିଲାମାନେ ଆମର ଏବେ OPSCSର ଆଶା ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେବାକୁ ଯାଉଛି ଯେଉଁଥିରେ ଫାଉଣ୍ଡେସନ୍ ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ ରହିବ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ୍ କୋର୍ସ କଭର୍ ହେବ ମାତ୍ର 9,999 ଟଙ୍କାରେ 6 ମନ୍ଥ ଭ୍ୟାଲିଡ୍ ରହିବ ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେବ 20 ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚରେ ସେମିତି କର୍ମବୀର RRB NTPC and RRB ଗ୍ରୁପ୍ D ଯେଉଁ ଅପକମିଂ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ ଫାଉଣ୍ଡେସନ୍ ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ ହେବ ଯେଉଁଟାକି କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ୍ ସିଲାବସ୍ ରହିବ ଓନ୍ଲି ଆଟ୍ 4999ରେ 6 ମନ୍ଥ ଭ୍ୟାଲିଡ୍ ରହିବ ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ ବି 20 ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚରେ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେବ ତା ସହିତ ଲାଇବ୍ରେରୀ ଅଛି ଜଷ୍ଟ 499ରେ ଏବେ ଅଫର୍ ଚାଲିଛି ଆଗକୁ ପ୍ରାଇସ୍ ବଢ଼ିଯିବ ତେଣୁ ଆପଣମାନେ ଜଲ୍ଦି ଜଲ୍ଦି କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ କରିପାରିବେ ପିଲାମାନେ ଆଜି କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା ହ୍ୱିଚ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ଫଲୋଇଂ ଟ୍ରି ସେଡ୍ ଦେୟାର ଲିଭ୍ସ ୱାନ୍ସ ଇନ୍ ଏ ଇୟର୍ ଡେସିଡିୟସ୍ ଫର୍ ଟ୍ରି कार्निफरस ट्री एवरग्रीन ट्री बोथ डिसीडियस एंड कार्निफरस ट्री आपण में क्वेश्चन आंसर निश्चित भाव में कमेंट सेक्शन जणातु कमेंट सेक्शन जणाला पर आपण मैंने जदि आंसर ठीक देथिबा निश्चित भाव में आपण गोटे स्माइली पाइबे हार्ट सिंबल पाइबे ताले आपण जानबे जे आपण आंसर ठीक अछि बोली ठीक अछि पिला माने वीडियो टिके देखिथो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करनते वीडियो आपण केमन लाଗୁଛି ଆପଣ ମାନେ ନିଜେ कमेंट सेक्शन आंसर दियंतु थैंक यू सो मच।